Hey guys, thought I would never make a video like this one, but here we are. This is so hard. Okay, I've tried recording this video many times, but I keep crying and not having the strength to keep going. Let me try again. Something we have done at KenHub has been bothering me and we need to talk. We have messed up big time. We've said some really hurtful things and probably affected many of you. Okay, please, makeup, could you just, here, I need a little bit more. Remember we told you that textbooks were bad.
Are you sick of flipping pages to learn anatomy? Are you bored of uninspiring atlases and flashcards?
Well, I am here to tell you that we've published a textbook. And no, we're not apologizing for anything we've said. I mean, look at this. How beautiful is this? A lot of textbooks suck. Yeah, they're just heavier than a cruise ship. But at least on a cruise ship, you can have some fun, right? So you must be asking, what is so special about the printed KenHub Atlas of Human Anatomy? And how will it change the way you use anatomy textbooks forever? Stay tuned and I'll answer those questions. Hi everyone, my name is João Costa and I'm one of the co-founders of KenHub, and we are super excited to introduce you to our new printed atlas. As you can see here, I'm holding it in my hands. Our team has come up with another fabulous learning tool that could help students succeed in their anatomy classes. We've received heaps of feedback from our students in the past 12 years of KenHub. And guess what? Surprising number of you still swear by the good old printed page. I guess it's like vinyl records, but for studying. Classic, tactile, and no batteries required. And even though our focus is on creating anatomy and physiology learning resources that are a bit outside the box, we learned that textbooks still do a great job of connecting people with the subject of human anatomy. So hear what's different about our textbook that will change the way you look at anatomy textbooks. First thing you see is this beautiful cover. I mean, come on. We see this gorgeous illustration of the salivary glands by Paul Kim, one of the illustrators that work with us here at KenHub. This to me is probably one of the most fascinating images we've worked on. The level of complexity is beyond words. We don't want you to walk around in school with an ugly textbook. Please have some dignity. From the moment you walk in school all the way to your test scores, we want you to shine. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Our atlas is like the GPS of human anatomy, user-friendly with vibrant color-coded tabs that will guide you through the body regions like a tour through Disneyland. Minus the long lines. Now here's a trick to find the information you need. Place your thumb over the body region you want to learn, follow it to the side of the book, and voila, just open the book where you need to. This will make the process of finding the material you want to learn a lot easier. Now this is probably one of my personal favorite things about the KenHub Anatomy Atlas. It's an inclusive book. It's the 21st century, folks. It's time for anatomy to reflect the real world. Diverse, inclusive, and unique. We're breaking the mold with illustrations that represent all of us. Different shapes, sizes, colors, and backgrounds. Because everyone deserves to see themselves in the pages they study from, not just a parade of historical figures who never had to text and walk at the same time. Now, let's talk about how portable it is. I mean, I can put it anywhere. It's so light, so light. Carrying our atlas is a breeze. It's like the smartphone of textbooks, perfectly designed to fit in your anatomy lab coat. So say goodbye to the days of lugging around a thick textbook that could double as a personal defense weapon. We're all about the spine-friendly, chiropractor-approved life. Now let's talk art. because our atlas is basically the Louvre of human anatomy. Each page is a masterpiece crafted by illustrious medical illustrators and scrutinized by experts who actually know their gluteus maximus from their minimus. Now get ready to feast your eyes on the Sistine Chapel of the human body. Anatomy textbooks are usually incredibly expensive. Some might be as expensive as a trip to your favorite destination. And even though we love the journey of learning human anatomy, there are more important things to spend your money on. So we've priced our atlas to keep your wallets as healthy as your newfound anatomical wisdom. The KenHub Atlas of Human Anatomy will cost you 1/3 to a half of the amount other well-known textbooks will cost you. Why spend a fortune when you can spend a fraction and still be the smartest cookie in the jar? But wait, there is more. Love flipping pages, but you still miss the content you find at kenhub.com? Point your smartphone at any section of our atlas and bam! You're transported to our online platform where the fun continues with videos, quizzes, and articles that make learning anatomy feel like binge watching your favorite series. We know, information overload is real. That's why the KenHub Atlas of Human Anatomy is designed for the ultimate brain snack. Tasty, bite-sized facts that stick with you longer than your last meal. With tables, diagrams, and crystal clear text, we're making sure that you digest this info like a pro, ready to regurgitate it in style when exams roll around. Now you must be saying, João, I've heard enough. Get me this book right now. Well, all you need to do is click on the link in the video description if you're watching this video on YouTube, or the links in the bio on other social media platforms. We'll take you to this page where you can find the printed and Kindle versions of the KenHub Atlas of Human Anatomy on different Amazon marketplaces. You can also download the first 20 pages of the book here so you can get a glimpse into what the full version offers you. I hope you enjoy our Human Anatomy Atlas as much as we enjoyed putting it together for you. I'll see you on the next page. I mean, video. Thank you. I can't. This is so hard to record. I don't know how to do this video. I really don't. I just don't. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I like it.